evaluate the limit. Okay. This should not be too difficult. It is easy to see that if we plug in 0 here, we'll have a problem of dividing by 0. So we have to play with this a little bit. I have already mentioned in one of the videos, I think, that for people who do math, this is a very unbeloved, maybe I should say, representation of the numerator. We don't like this. This is usually not nice for us. And so we want to get rid of those square roots. The way to get rid of those square roots is using squares. And so if we have a square here and we have a square here, here we have a difference. Does this ring a bell? Yeah, ding ding. Sorry. So the bell is this. This is the bell. It's the difference between two squares. Because we have two squares and we have a difference. Well, we want to have two squares. And so in that case, if we compare this to that, I mean, this is very simple. You can just distribute, you'll get this identity. It's not a difficult one. It's not, you just need to distribute. Now it is easy to see that this will be our A, this will be our B. And in that case, we would be effectively taking the conjugate of this expression. And the conjugate of this expression is this one, right? So that's very nice. Maybe I'll color it in blue. Okay, and so we know that if all of this is happening inside, we know that if we multiply this by that, we will get the square of the first one. So square root of 2 plus y squared, this is 2 plus y. And then the square root of 2 minus y, but we square this. So it cancels out again. And if I distribute this sign, I get a minus 2 and a plus y. Minus 2 plus y. And this is very much to our liking because the 2's cancel out and the y's add up. You get 2y divided by something. And this something precisely is so we just multiplied by this expression. We are required to divide by it again. Because we can multiply by 1, but we are not free to multiply by other stuff. And that is very important. So whenever you multiply by something, you need to make sure to divide by it, not to cause any issues. Now this is being multiplied by 4y. So I'm just going to write 4y here. And then I have 4y, and then I have this expression again. And I think you see where this is going. Y goes away with y, 2 goes away with 4, you get 2 here. Then this limit is actually equal to, you have 1 over 2 from this 2, and you have 1 divided by this thing here. And my question to you is, can we plug in? And the answer is yes. Because if I put 0 here, 0 there, it's fine. I just get 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2. And then I can maybe write this as 2 square root of 2, because it's twice of square root of 2. And And then since we're taking the constants outside, I can just write this as 1 over 4 times 1 over square root of 2. I might even simplify it and write 1 over 4 times square root of 2 over 2. Then it's going to be square root of 2 over 8. These are all different formulations. I'm just playing here. So any of them would be, in fact, correct. You just need to check which one is similar to the result that we've just got.